Good morning, Rax. Today is Friday, May 1st, which for most of the world is International Workers' Day, what they consider Labor Day. Well, we're not quite to Labor Day yet, but some of us kind of wish we were. Three big things. Congratulations go out to Gabby, Jack, and Eric Weaver, who will have their art displayed in the yearbook. And also, if you want to have your photos in the yearbook, send them to Dolan. She wants to see them. Friday is Career Day, and our Counselors Connect series shows us that it is music composers and arrangers as part of our Career Day. Find out more information in Miss Shireen's Counselors Connect series. And if you have sports jersey, equipment, fundraising stuff, Laskowski's coming around today. Send him out an email quick so that he could pick it up, and we'll be good to go on that. Wrapping it up quick, birthday tomorrow to send out to Shecky. Happy birthday to LaKayla this weekend as we kick off May. I know, April went by pretty quick. It was kind of weird. Have a good weekend, Rex.